So we'll continue with the equation of plane. See question number 15. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of intersections of planes R dot I plus j plus k equals to 1 and R dot 2i plus 3j minus k plus 4 equals to 0 and parallel to x-axis. Okay, this kind of question I have done, but passing through point. Now parallel to x-axis. Look at here. Intersection of plane. You will get a plane here. Remember, every plane has a normal. Okay. Now, just you see here. What is the first plane? R dot I plus j plus k equals to 1. Convert it to Cartesian form. Cartesian means replace ijk by xyz. X plus y plus z minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Second plane. Second plane is this. This one, replace ijk by xyz. 2x plus 3y minus z plus 4 equals to 0. Now ये दोनों प्लेन का इंटरसेक्शन. So you are getting another plane here. So I will draw normal. This is our required plane. Required plane. Through the intersection of plane, you have a third plane. So third plane also will have a normal in. Got my point? So now what is intersection of plane? Mein you are getting third plane. What is the formula? The first plane plus lambda times second plane equals to 0. So required plane is x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y minus z plus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Now take out the coefficients. You will get 1 plus 2 lambda x, 1 plus 3 lambda y, 1 minus lambda z plus minus 1 plus 4 lambda equals to 0. So the coefficient of x, y, z is the normal. So what is the normal here? Therefore n equals to 1 plus 2 lambda I, 1 plus 3 lambda j plus 1 minus lambda k equal is the value of normal. Means this normal is a b c, a I b j c k. Now this plane is parallel to x axis. This is x axis. This is your x axis. Plane is parallel to x axis. So the plane is parallel to x axis. What is the dr of x axis? That is 1 0 0. If I write this is OA, so what is OA vector then? Now I plus 0j plus 0k. OA is a line, normal is a line. What is the relation between normal and x axis? You can write here. This I need. Okay. No, this is not. Later. Here normal is perpendicular to OA. This will be perpendicular. So n dot OA equals to 0. 1 plus 2 lambda I plus 1 plus 3 lambda j plus 1 minus lambda k dot I plus 0j plus 0k equals to 0. Okay, so multiply 1 plus 2 lambda into 1, 0 into this is 0 plus 0 equals to 0. That means 1 plus 2 lambda equals to 0, lambda equals to minus 1. Okay, then what is the equation of the plane then? The required plane equation was, required plane, equation of required plane one plus 2 lambda x 1 plus 3 lambda y 1 minus lambda z plus I think it was 1 minus 4 lambda equals to 0. Okay, put the value of lambda. So this is 1 plus 2 into minus half x 1 plus 3 into minus half y 1 minus minus plus half z 1 minus 4 into minus half equals to 0. So what will you get? This is cancelled. 0x plus this is 2 minus 3 minus half y plus 3 by 2z plus 2 cancelled here, 1 plus 2 is 3 equals to 0, implies r dot minus half 0 I minus half z, sorry j 3 by 2k plus 3 equals to 0. So this is vector form, this is Cartesian. Okay, if you want to simplify also, you can simplify taking LCM. The meaning is same. Okay, next question. Next question is 17 done. 16 you will try. Look at 18 is very important question for us. Question number 18. Find the distance of the point. एक important question है. Find the distance of the point -1, -5, 10, -10 from the point of intersection of line or equals to 2i minus j plus 2k plus lambda 3i 4j 2k and the plane r dot I plus minus j plus k equals to 5. Try to understand its meaning. Find the distance of the point. There is a point here. P suppose -1, -5, -10 from the point of intersection of line and plane. So there is a line, there is a plane. This point of intersection. Suppose this is A. You are asked to find what is PA. Got the point? What is plane? You can write here x minus y plus z minus 5 equals to 0. Directly Cartesian form I have written. The line is given you. What is this? This is the line. So what you do is write the Cartesian form of the line. Find Cartesian form of line. Formula x minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. If you look at this and write x minus 2 by b1, b1 is here 3, x plus 1, y plus 1, y plus 1 divided by 4, z minus 2 divided by 2, divided by 2. Suppose this is lambda. So what do you get? Implies x minus 2 by 3 equals to lambda, implies x equals to 3 lambda plus 2, y plus 1 by 4 equals to lambda, y equals to 4 lambda minus 1, z minus 2 by 2 is lambda, z minus 2 by 2 is lambda, that is z equals to 2 lambda plus 2. This xyz is the point here. Suppose the coordinate of any point is xyz. That means this point also lies on the plane. So you can write, because they are intersecting means there is a common point A. The point A XYZ lies on the plane. What is the plane here? I have written here x minus y plus z minus 5 equals to 0. अब एक्स वाई जेड में ये वैल्यू पुट करो. x इज हाउ मच 3 लैम्डा प्लस 2 3 lambda plus 2 minus y is 4 lambda minus 1 plus z equals to 2 lambda plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so if you simplify 3 lambda plus 2 minus 4 lambda plus 1 plus 2 lambda plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. 3 lambda plus 2 lambda is 4 lambda minus 4, 3 plus 2 5 minus 4 lambda, 2 plus 2 is 4 means 2 plus 2 plus 1 5 minus 5 0. Therefore lambda equals to 0. So once you get lambda is 0, let's find out what is x, y, z. Therefore x equals to 3 lambda plus 2. The lambda 0 means x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4 lambda minus 1 implies y is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to 2 lambda plus 2, that is z is equal to 2. That means this point you got, that is how much? 2 minus 1 2. This is 2 minus 1 2. Now what is the distance formula? PA distance. PA distance x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square under square root. Okay, well put karo. 2 minus 1 minus plus 2 plus 1 whole square. This is minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 whole square. This is 2 plus 10. Square root. So how much you get? 3 square, 4 square, 12 square. 3 square means 9 plus 16 plus 154. Okay, so that is how much? 169. Value is 30. Okay, next question you see. Question number 19. Find vector equation of the line passing through the point parallel to planes. Important question. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point point 1 2 3 and parallel to the planes. Parallel to the planes R dot I minus j plus 2k equals to 5 and r dot 3i plus j plus k equals to 6. Okay, try to understand. The line is passing through a point. First you see here, there is a line passing through a point 1, 2, 3 and parallel. Obviously there it will be parallel to a vector b, will be parallel to vector b, so that you can find the equation, the line and point curve. So b is what? b1i, b2j, b3k. This line, so what is the equation of this line now? So before that, let's see now. This line is parallel to a plane. There is a plane here. This plane has a normal n1. How much n1 here? I minus j plus 2k. I minus j plus 2k. Also this line is parallel to another plane. This also has a normal n2, because the line is parallel to given planes. What is n2 here? 3i plus j plus k. Now I told you earlier, when you compare line and plane, you have to compare its parallel vector and normal. What is the relation? Perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. Line like this, line like this. So first you write what is the equation of the plane. So the equation of the line. That is r equals to a plus lambda b, implies r equals to a. A means the point I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times b means b1i, b2j, b3k. Now what is the problem? We have to find out b1, b2, b3. How to find? Now I have to compare b and n1 ka relation. Right here, b is parallel to n1. b dot n1 equals to 0. Directly you can write from here. 1 into b1, 1 into b1, minus 1 into b2, then 2 into b3. Equals to 0. So equation number 1. Okay. Then also b is perpendicular to n2. Also b is perpendicular to n2. So what do you get? b dot n2 is 0, implies b dot n2 equals to 0. So how much you get? 3b1 implies 3b1 plus 1b2 plus 1b3 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. So compare 1 and 2 now. Compare 1 and 2. So how to solve these two equations? I can write this side by side. 1b1 minus 1b2 2b3 equals to 0. So the formula already I have told you. What is the formula? Formula is b1 b2 b3. अच्छा, coefficient of middle term, that means 1 and minus 1, 1 minus 1, then coefficient of c1 c2, c1 c2 means 1 2, 1 2, a1 a2, a1 a2, 3 1, फिर b1 b2. Like this we have done. We have done so many questions like this. So gives you b1 by product of this minus this 2 minus minus plus 1, b2 1 minus 6 equals to b3 minus 3 minus 1. So we are getting b1 by 3, b2 by minus 4, b3 by minus 5 here. Here is minus 4. Okay, so you can write now b1 is to b2 is to b3, 3 is to minus 5 is to minus 4. That means what is your b vector? 3i plus minus 5j minus 4k. So what is equation of line then? Therefore equation of line will be r equals to a plus lambda b. A plus lambda b. So implies r equals to, this was I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times b vector 3i minus 5j minus 4k. Okay, then this is your vector form. You can write in Cartesian form. X minus x1 1 by b1 3, y minus y1 2 by minus 5, z minus z1 3 by minus 4. So this is vector form, this is Cartesian form. Okay. Same method you will try question number 20. Let me see the question number 21. Question number 21. Prove that if the plane has intercepts ABC, prove that if the plane has intercepts ABC and is at a distance of p units from the origin, then 1 by a square 1 by b square plus 1 by c square equals to 1 by p square. Intersect form of plane, look at here. x axis, y axis, z axis, intersect form of plane. This is A, this is B, this is C. This distance is P. This is P from the origin. Okay, first you write what is intersect form of plane. Intersect form of plane. That is x by A, y by B, z by C equals to 1. Is the intersect form of plane, already I have told you. So just rewrite this as 1 by AX, 1 by BY, 1 by CZ minus 1 equals to 0. Let me draw this plane in this way. This way means there is a plane. This is the origin. This is the distance, that is P. What is this plane? 1 by AX, 1 by BY, 1 by CZ minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, how to find the distance of a point from the plane? Now x, y, z will be replaced by the point. So P equals to, what is the formula? 1 by AX, 1 by A0, 1 by B0, 1 by C0 minus 1 divided by yes, sir. 1 by A x, y, z replaced by the point 0, 0, 0 divided by root over of a square plus b square plus c square means coefficient का square, root over of 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square. Can you remember from where it came? I am reminding again. I told you this formula. Look at, if this is the point of x1, y1, z1, this was ax, by, cz plus d equals to 0. So what was the formula up here? D was ax1, by1, cz1 plus d by root over of a square plus b square plus c square. This was the formula. Compare now. Ax1 means 1 by a x1. X1 means what? 0. So 1 by a 0, 1 by b 0, 1 by c 0 minus 1 divided by a square plus b square plus c square means 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. Okay, this is what you want to simplify. Okay, so simplification will be P as a modulo sign is there. P equals to minus 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square root over what modulus? So modulus makes it positive. So if I replace here 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square root over equals to interchanging 1 by p. 1 by p. Now squaring both the sides. Squaring. You will get 1 by a square, 1 by b square, 1 by c square equals to Squaring means this is 1 by p square. Proved. So one more question over here. Find the distance between the planes. Find the distance between the planes. There is one plane here. Two x plus 3y. Let me write the question first. 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 4 and 4x plus 6y plus 8z equals to 12. So what I can do is, look at here. Suppose this is the origin. O is the point. This plane is what? The 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 4 equals to 0. Plane, another plane. You want to find the distance. So there is another plane here. Means if I extend it, this is suppose point A, this is point B. Okay, this point, this is the point A, this is the point B. Now you want to find AB distance. This plane is what? 4x plus 6y plus 8z minus 12 equals to 0. So finding AB means distance of the second plane from the origin means OB minus OA. So distance AB equals to OB minus OA. So what is OB? OB means ये वाला पॉइंट को यहाँ पुट करो. That is 4 into 0, 6 into 0, 8 into 0 minus 12 divided by 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square root of. So implies OB equals to 12 by, this is how much? 64, 3600, 160. OB you got? Okay, what is OA? OA 2 into 0 minus plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 minus 4 divided by 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square root of. So how much you got? This is 4 by 29. Okay, so subtract. So that will be, if I simplify, how much I will get? 29 into 4. This is 4 into 29 root over, that is 12 by 2 root over of 29. Now if you simplify, therefore AB equals to, if you cancel here 6 by 29 root over minus 4 by 29 root over. The 6 minus 4 is 2 by 29 root over. That is the answer for it. So this chapter is finished. Remaining questions you try. All the examples you have to do. So tomorrow we'll start a new chapter.